You know what? Country life is country living. And there's no reason you can't do your laundry outside, because I like being outside and I don't like being cooped up. So that's how we do it out here in the quiet country life living environment. Oh yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's my neighbor, Billy Joe Armstrong. Anyway, let's get back to the laundry. Today here we're gonna use some powdered detergent. Don't know if it's any good or not, but here's what we're washing. We have a hoodie from Texas. Sure don't want to screw that up. Then we have a couple towels and a microfiber cloth. So let's see how it goes. All right, so the clothes are in there. Here's the soap. I guess you just throw the soap on in here. I don't know. Just dump it in there. And I think it'll be all right. Close the lid. Now I'm going to turn this off. I got to shove this thing back, because I'm telling you, I hate it when there's just not enough room in the truck to get anything done. Got the water hooked up. I figure we don't need the hot. So we're just going to do cold wash here. Now let's see, delicate. Let's say, I don't know, what do you want to do? See, these things are so confusing. Status, add garment suit. No. How about just wash? Where's the wash button? Hand washing. Well, what do you need a machine for if you're going to hand wash? Okay, here's what we're doing. Yeah. You know what? Nothing turns on. I'll press hold to start, but what's it going to start doing? I want, okay, normal, casual. That looks like the best choice there. Soil level, who knows? Okay, we figured it out. Control on, that turns it on. Now, why doesn't it just say on? I mean, used to be you had an on and off button. Now you have a control on and a pause, cancel, unlock door button. I'm not liking this too much. Okay, hold to start, so I'm going to hold it. I think that just locked the door. Oh, I hear something going on now. Oh, we want cold. No. Cold, please. We don't have any hot. Look, man. What you do is you hit pause, and then you can switch your product here. You know what I'm saying? Spin speed, whatever. All right, here we go. Hold to start. Okay, there we go. Now it's going the other way. What's that supposed to mean? You know, these newfangled things, it's just not the way it used to be. Okay, I'll be back. Well, shoot, that ain't good. What the heck's going on here? All right, so we're back in business, I think. It's adding water. It's not spraying out the back anymore. I think it's trying to wash my clothes. What I can't figure out is why it's not putting all the water in at once. Can anybody tell me why it is just not putting all the water in at one time? Oh yeah. You know, the neighbors love it when I do my laundry out in the back of the pickup truck. because it shows that I'm thinking outside the box. He leaves his tractor out in the yard. I guess I can leave my washing machine in the back of the truck. That's the way I feel about it. Okay, we're in drain and spin mode. I forgot to hook the pipe up. But man, there's some dirt coming out there. Yeah. Oh yeah, look, it's spinning now. How about that? Drain and spin. It's hard to beat. Yeah, baby. Man, this thing rocks. Alright, we're in spin mode now. And would you look at... We have a problem here. Oh no. I just unplugged it. That was not good. Man, we were just starting to gel. Okay, the good thing is the washer forgave me for unplugging it. And it's still spinning, I think. Look how fast that thing's going. It's like an out of bounds tire almost. Oh boy. That's some real good dirt. All right. I can't wait till my clothes are dry and I can put them back on again. This is a good washer. I guess one spin wasn't good enough. So it's going to rinse them again. Hear that? Yeah, it's going to rinse them one more time. Make sure that all the suds are out. Because you can see that first rinse, all the suds aren't quite out of there, you know. That's a good washer there. All right, while we're waiting for the wash to get done, I thought I'd show you my show truck here. See, I'm fixing this up to be in some truck shows, and I put a little bit of WD-40 on this belt to shine it up. That's the first part. And well, I was going to clean that off and get the vacuum and clean the little things. You know, you get stuff up in this tray and then you turn your heater on and it all comes out through the heater, and it's really kind of a distracted driving kind of thing. I thought of, well, I could tell you while we're waiting on the laundry to get done. So I can tell you some stuff about some of these parts back here. This was off a driveway weed trimmer thing. I mean, if you want to edge your driveway, you're going to need one of those. And I was going to restore this one, but I don't have time to do it right now. Now, this is a motor mount out of a Chevrolet, and yeah, so I'll probably end up putting that back in. Now this thing here, what you do if you want to have a garden, oh, look at that. Oh wow, this thing's pretty radical. Now these here are wheel thingies for a wagon, if you can believe that. And then this was a homemade transmission cross member for a '68 Chevy pickup. And here's an old air gun that, well, you know, seen better days. Oh, let's watch this now. This is getting ready to go. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Is that beautiful or what? What's shaking the whole truck? Look at this thing, man. It's shaking the truck. All right. Update here. Timer said I had 10 more minutes to go. I could not stand for 12 minutes. I wasn't going to stand around and wait for another fill up and wash and rinse. I mean, how many times you got to rinse a couple towels anyway? So that's my video here, country living. Hope you enjoyed watching, and hope you tune in next time around when we test something else out. Stay tuned for Hat World on most of these stations.